So, in fact, the absence of kettles has driven the evolution of farmhouse brewing processes. It's all about overcoming the lack of a kettle. And the Russians developed this type of oven, which is called the piechka in Russian, which is a really, really big oven that is multi-purpose. It heats the house, but it's also actually used for cooking. So you have no kettle, right? But you need to heat your mash, and you're really fed up with using hot stones because it takes a lot of firewood and it's quite risky. But you've got this oven, right? So what you do is you just take your mash and you heat it in the oven. Just put piles of not too wet mash inside there and let it heat, and then you take it out and you brew a raw ale. And that's where Keptinis comes from originally.
Yeah.
Used to be an old
So
house.
if you want, also the Keptinis tradition is dying out because all these ovens is very expensive to build in our times.
I presume those ovens would have been wood-fired, presumably, rather than coal-fired.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Did they impart any smokiness to the? No,
I never
too
tried
hot.
that.
I don't know. No. It's because you need to clean everything. There is no there is a chimney, and all the smoke goes out, and you need to burn out everything, and all these like stones were heated, and all the like high temperature is just from these stones, not from the direct